Alright YouTube, it's Thomas right here. I got my first unboxing to do for Angelus Direct. Really excited about it. Really excited to getting into the custom shoe designing. So I'm looking forward to it. Pretty much I put this order in, and I think in about 2 weeks, I got it back. And so I'm cool with that. That was really good. So we're gonna get into this unboxing. And another thing with Angelus, right? They got this thing like if you do $75, you get free shipping. So that's what I shop for. Because anytime you can get a deal on something, might as well take advantage of it. Figure out what's gonna get me a good bit of paint anyway. So I went for it. So I was really liking the fact that I did get my package pretty quick. So Angelus Direct, thumbs up for y'all on that one. Let's see what we got here. Another thing they did, I see what I got. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's one of those air freshener thing for your cars. But like when you hit a certain, I guess, amount on your purchase or what's in your cart, you get a free gift. So I got that little doozy. Nice. Another thing I got is this. Take us a sticker. Don't really know where I'm gonna put the sticker at. I might put it on my laptop or something like that. I don't know. But what I did get, what I'm excited about was the kits. I got two kind of kits. I got the marker kit and I got the starter kit. So with the marker kit, with these you get to put the paint right inside of it, and you can pretty much what I've been seeing, you draw like it with a normal like a normal marker or something. So I got both sets. I got the 5.0 and I also got the 3.0. And so with that kit, you pretty much get to pick your paints. I would say if you haven't already went and looked online before and like write down the colors you like, it's good to have two screens up if you're gonna put in an order, because when you're doing the kits, they just say the names. They don't show you what actual color it is. So it's either good to have two screens up, that way you can look through the individual paints and you can see the colors, or just go on there and write all your colors that you want down of your paint. So that's one thing that I thought could be helpful to somebody, because I had to keep going back to the page. I was in the same browser, so I had to keep going back to the page of the individual paints to see the colors, you know, because I was pretty much brand new to it. So when I got to the set, you know, and didn't realize that there wasn't any pictures of like what the actual colors were, and I had to keep going back, and so that got tiring. But what I got in my kit, I think you get like 6 kind of paints, and so got, what is that, avocado. We got the flat black. We got the regular red, and we got brown. I like brown. I like avocado, because that's my wife's favorite. Really like black. Not too much into red, but figured I can use that to mix with some other stuff. And pretty much with that kit, you got a choice. So you get I got the duller with mine. Let's see what else we got going on in here. Pretty much I got the matte acrylic finisher. Got a 4-ounce bottle of that. We got the too thin. The too thin is used for if you're putting something through an airbrush, which I got my airbrush out of storage because I bought one years ago. Never really had the time to delve into it, but figured this is a good time, so I got my airbrush. And this is also used for putting the paint inside the marker. You're gonna need the too thin to do that. And when I got my flat white, another 4-ounce bottle. We got these. I got a shoe stretcher. You know, so your shoe can keep its natural form while you're doing paint. So figured I get that. And the last thing in here is the kit. And so pretty much you got your set of paint brushes. In here I got the deglazer, I got the blue, the yellow, I got dark gray, and I got 2 more flat blacks. Figured I was going to use a lot of black, so just went and tried to make the most of it, get most of my flat blacks within the kit and within that other marker kit. And so pretty much that's my unboxing for Angelus Direct. My name is Thomas. I'm with Javelinfactor Productions, and I'm looking forward to getting some of this paint on a whole bunch of shoes. All right, peace.